Let us try this problem. We have to calculate molar mass of gas. And we have been given when the flask is empty, the weight is 134.567 gram. So empty flask, so we can write weight of empty flask, this is 134.567 gram. And the weight of the flask when the gas is filled, and this is given 137.456 gram. So basically we can calculate weight of gas. And this is nothing but filled flask minus empty flask, that is 137.456 minus so let us use calculator. 137.456 minus 134.567. So this is 2.889. So this is the weight of gas. So weight of gas now we know, and this is 2.889 gram. And this weight is given at temperature 31 degrees centigrade. So temperature is given 31 degrees centigrade. So we can convert into Kelvin. So 304 Kelvin. Pressure is also given, that is 735 torr. So we can convert this in atmospheric pressure. Now next we have to calculate the volume of flask. To calculate the volume of flask, we have been given this information. So it says it contains, when this filled with water, this has a mass of this. So now we know flask filled with water. So weight of flask filled with water and this has a weight of 1067.9 gram. And we know the empty weight is 134.567. So we can calculate weight of water. And that is nothing but 1067.9 minus 134.567. So this is 1067.9 minus 134.567. So this is 933.333 gram. So this is the weight of water. and we have been also given density of water, that is 0.997 gram per ml. So 0.997 gram per ml. So we can use the formula density is equals to mass by volume to calculate the volume. So from here we can write volume is equals to mass by density. So let us say volume, mass is 933.333 gram divided by volume divided by density 0.997 gram per ml. So we will have volume in ml. So we can have 933.333 divided by 0.997. So this value is 936.14. So this is 936.14 milliliter. So we can convert into liter. So volume is 0.93614 liter. Now we can use the formula Pm is equals to dRT. So what we have to calculate, and we have to calculate molar mass of gas. So we can use the formula Pm is equals to dRT to calculate molar mass of gas. Let us first calculate density of gas, that is D. D is density of gas, and this is nothing but mass of gas divided by volume. And we know mass of gas, this is basically, so we have calculated 2.889 gram, and volume in liter we have, that is 0.93614. So we will have 2.889, this divided by 0.93614. So 3.086. So this is 3.086 gram per liter. Now we can use this formula Pm is equals to dRT, calculate molecular mass, that is nothing but dRT by P. So M is equals to D, we know D is 3.086 gram per liter, and R is nothing but 0.082 liter atmospheric pressure, and this is mole minus 1, so mole goes in the denominator, and Kelvin. Temperature is also given. Temperature we have 304 Kelvin, and this divided by pressure, and pressure is nothing but, we have written 735 by 760, and this is in atmospheric pressure. So atmospheric pressure cancels, liter cancels, and this we have Kelvin also cancels. So we have molecular mass is equals to 3.086 0.082 multiplied by 304 multiplied by 760, and this divided by 735, and this unit will be gram per mole. So let us use calculator. So we will have 3.086 multiplied by 0.082 multiplied by 304 multiplied by 760, and this divided by 735. So this is 79.54, and unit will be gram per mole. So the gas will have a molecular mass of 79.54 gram per mole. So let us try a practice exercise. calculate the average molar mass of dry air if it has a density of this, temperature is given and pressure is also given. So you can try yourself. This is a straightforward question. Density is given, this is 1.17 gram per liter, and you have been given temperature, that is 273 plus 21, and this is 294 Kelvin, and pressure is also given 740 divided by 760 atmospheric pressure, because we have to convert torr into atmospheric pressure. And then straightforward we can apply formula Pm is equals to dRT. So from here I can write molecular mass is equals to dRT by P. Let us plug these values. So density is 1.17 gram per liter and R is 0.082 liter into atmospheric pressure, and this is mole into Kelvin, and we have temperature, this is 294 Kelvin, and this divided by pressure, pressure is 740 and divided by 760, and this is in atmospheric pressure. So atmospheric pressures cancels, we have liter cancels, Kelvin cancels. So finally we will have molecular weight is equals to 1.17 0.082 multiplied by 294 into 760 divided by 740, and the unit will be gram per mole. So if I solve for this, we will have multiplied by 760 and this all divided by 740. So this is 28.96. So around 29, and unit will be gram per mole. So you see molecular weight of air, dry air, is around 29 gram per mole. So molecular weight of air, of course dry air, and this is equals to 29 gram per mole. And this value sometime we have to remember. If you remember this value, that is molecular weight of dry air is 29 gram per mole, you can solve many problems. So try to remember this value. And this is molecular weight of air, 29 gram per mole.